How to embed PDFs. Note that you can use the code that we are creating on your website or WordPress site. Let's start by creating an iframe element. Add the source attribute and also set the width and the height. In this example, I set the width to 100% and the height to 700 pixels. On the source attribute, add the PDF link. If you are using WordPress, upload your PDF on the media library and copy the link. By default, here's how Chrome displays the PDF. Using custom parameters, let's adjust the display. First, append a hashtag to the source attribute. Now, for our first parameter, let's remove the header and sidebar menus by setting the toolbar to 0. To add a new parameter, add an ampersand. Next, let's set the default page to show first. It can be any page that you want. You can also set the zoom. Let's add 10 for 10% or 100 for 100%. Finally, add the view parameter and set it to fit, so it fits on the screen horizontally and vertically. This time, the zoom parameter becomes useless. You can remove it. Thank you for watching.